In this video we're tackling a common issue for many homeowners and gardeners: how to get rid of crows. While crows are intelligent and fascinating birds, they can also be a nuisance, damaging crops and gardens, scavenging trash, and causing noise. Let's explore some effective methods to manage and deter crows from your property. Crows are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, but their presence is often less welcomed when they start to impact daily life negatively. They can eat garden produce, pull apart trash bags, and their cawing can be loud and disruptive. Crows are primarily attracted to easy food sources. Secure your garbage bins with tight-fitting lids, cover compost piles, and do not leave pet food outdoors. Removing these food sources will make your property less attractive to crows. Scare tactics can be effective in deterring crows. Scarecrows. Traditional scarecrows can sometimes work, but you'll need to move them regularly to maintain their effectiveness. Reflective objects. Hang old CDs, aluminum foil, or reflective tape from trees. The light reflections can disturb crows. Noise devices. Devices that emit sounds, like recorded bird distress calls or loud noises, can scare crows away. To protect specific areas like vegetable gardens or fruit trees, install bird netting. This physical barrier can prevent crows from accessing and damaging your plants. Motion-activated water sprayers can be a humane way to deter crows. These devices spray water when they detect movement, which can help keep crows at bay. Crows will often return to familiar roosting spots. Trim tree branches where crows typically roost and install bird spikes or other tactile repellents to make these areas less inviting. Another method to deter crows is to use visual deterrents such as fake owls or hawks. Crows are naturally wary of predators. Placing these figures around your garden or on your roof can help keep crows away. Remember to move these figures around periodically to keep the crows from becoming accustomed to them. Keep your yard clean and tidy. Regularly rake up fallen fruits and nuts, and keep your lawn mowed. A clean and uncluttered yard is less likely to attract crows looking for food or nesting materials. Managing crows can be challenging, but with these strategies, you can significantly reduce their presence on your property. Consistency and a combination of different methods usually yield the best results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing wildlife and pests. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.